And now on to a special report from the Mahajan Field firing ranges on the K9 Vajra artillery guns that have a range of 38 kilometers and have been deployed along the line of actual control after successful trials.
These are the K9 Vajra artillery guns exhibiting the rising might of our defence forces. Team Republic travelled to Asia's biggest field firing ranges, the Mahajan Field Firing Ranges in Rajasthan, to bring to you the firing demonstration of these powerful cannons.
It's been 2 years now since 100 K9 Vajras have been inducted into the 5 regiments of the force. Lot has been talked about K9 Vajra, how it has changed the game for the Indian artillery. But for the first time, Team Republic will show you the firepower, the real-time demonstration of K9 Vajra's firing. So let's begin.
These self-propelled guns have a range of 38 kilometers. In the last 2 years, the Indian Army has inducted 100 K9 Vajra guns in various regiments, including Ladakh.
What is going on here? What kind of a firing demonstration is going on?
Thank you, Shivani. What you're witnessing right now and that's a wonderful noise to hear. Yes. Very endearing to the ears. What you're actually witnessing right now is the annual training camp of the RT regiments of the Sub-Shakti Command in Mahajan Field Firing Ranges. And it's an opportunity for all the crew and all the soldiers to actually practice themselves with the machine.
With technology transfer from South Korea, L&T built these cannons under the Centre's Make in India initiative. The artillery meets the requirements of 21st century warfare, including deep fire support with its longer firing range.
You see the gun barrels positioning automatically according to the target needs, and the elevations change automatically. The whole system inside this K9 Vajra self-propelled gun is automatic, precise, and the crew which can go inside, accommodated inside K9 Vajra is of 5, so total 5 people can be inside it while it positions itself for the target according to the need and the range. You see these barrels positioning themselves, changing their elevations as the situation demands, as the range of the target demands.
What makes these cannons even more significant is the fact that until the K9 Vajra, the Indian Army had not inducted any new heavy artillery since 1986, after the Bofors scandal rocked the nation.
If we ask you about the significance of this night training that's happening right now.
This night training is happening, actually this is too early in the evening, but for you we have conducted it, otherwise it is carried out quite late in the night, and this gun system is night enabled. So to exploit the capability of this gun system, which is new, we carry out night training by deploying from one gun area to another, which can differ geographically a distance of 4 to 5 to 6 kilometers, at sometimes to 10 kilometers also. So the driver who has to drive this gun really needs to have a hold on the instruments or the network-centric panels and the thermal imagery, and based on that he needs to have the capability to drive in night with the cupola closed.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.